gonna happen. There's no
Unless you can
possible
hold
way.
on for dear life.
Bro.
You're rolling down a hill and everybody in your town is just seeing your fucking pants drop below your ass and you're just fucking you're.
You're just, you're just hanging off the trunk end of your fucking car. Like,
Oh my god, your dick gets stuck in your faucet and your stepbro comes in. Stepbro, what are you doing? No, get the fuck out of here!
I mean, not for nothing, but that's probably in some sort of gay porn going on right now.
Probably. I
I mean,
mean,
if regular, if like if straight porn has women getting stuck in dryers, like I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some sort of gay porn like that too.
for science.
Miami
Step
just added a new tab to his fucking thing.
bro, what are you doing here? I'm stuck, step bro. Oh my god. That would be funny. So who's that? I forgot what's in. Oh god. Lucky, what do you got here now?
So yeah, at least this was in Connecticut. This wasn't in Florida.
Yeah, at least it wasn't. At least it wasn't Connecticut. So I could show this.
Oh
I
wait,
fucking need
but then
hold on.
but then again, it's Connecticut. So Connecticut doesn't have a shit ton of pools all over the place, but they does have a lot of trees.
Man arrested after having sexual. I'm never gonna finish this kit anyway. So, anyways, man arrested after having sexual relations with a tree. 2 years ago, 36-year-old was seen in the backyard of a Connecticut house, simulating sex with a tree and eating.
Wait, he's what?
He's eating the tree out, so he's eating the branches.
See, this is what COVID did to people, man. Look at the data. This thing's
You like
this
that, baby? Oh, give me all them leaves.
this is what happens when you get locked indoors too long, man.
Oh my god! I wonder.
Oh my god, dude,
They,
I'm actually wondering, did COVID like make a boom for the sex doll industry also?
would you figure that out? Like,
I don't know. Like we gotta go into like sex dolls like sales or something like that. But
anybody
I'm
here works
wondering
in the sex doll industry? We gotta know.
because I mean, Gunpla sales went up, right? So I'm
Definition of
thinking,
Gotwood. Oh my god, dude. Like, like, imagine if they went out there. He had like candles lit and everything. He's playing music. He got,
oh
he
my,
got a little lingerie on the tree. That's like a little teddy on the tree.
dude, he goes to jail and he goes to jail, right? And all the other inmates are like, he's the tree fucker. Like he's just gonna be known as the tree fucker in jail.
I fucking.
Like would the other inmates would the other inmates get turned on by that shit, or would they be like, we're staying away from this crazy motherfucker?
My fucking. Wait, hold on. Babe! Ah, she's outside smoking a cigarette. I'm gonna ask my wife see if she would know off the top of her head. I don't know if she keeps like track of the sales numbers, but yeah, dude, like that. Yeah, the tree fucker. No, no. You know what you see happening? Oh, you like to fuck trees? All right. All right, let me get you Tyrone, some big ass fucking 7'1" dude. He's big like a tree, but he's gonna fuck you with his branch.